You're listening to the Things podcast, brought to you by the Things Industries.
Pierre from EP. Thank you very much for making time available. Welcome here to the desk. How's it going?
Great, great. I'm very happy to be here. Again in Amsterdam for the Things conference. There was a lot of energy on the...
Okay, good. We would perhaps a little bit closer for the audio, but I think we're fine. And what is your impression up to now?
Well, great. It's very busy. We have a lot of visitors on the booth, and I think it's a great opportunity to talk about charging batteries with ambient energy and especially light.
Oh, well, let's do that then, because I saw on the website. I checked the website, of course. I had a quick view, and I saw that you had actually harvesting energy, but you're also storing energy. So you've got quite a range of solutions for problems. So can you summarize what you've got, what you offer?
Yeah, so we really focus on power management chips for energy harvesting. So basically what we are doing is that we are taking energy from a source. Mm-hmm. Most of the time is photovoltaic cells, so energy from lights, either indoor or outdoor.
Yes.
Then we charge storage elements, also coming from a partner. So storage element can be a battery, can be a supercap, it can be a hybrid cap.
Okay.
And then we fuel the application. So our chip is really in the middle of the three, and its role is to be very efficient, to avoid losing what we have harvested in terms of energy, mm-hmm. Then protecting the storage elements, and then fueling the application properly.
Because that's what we see as a trend, and we see more and more energy harvesting. Batteries are so 2024, I would say. Yeah, it is not a question anymore. So due to the efficiency of all those radio technologies, I mean, it's now really the reality that you can actually harvest energy from sources around us, like light, you're vibrating, and your role is the chipsets controlling the charging and of the. You're not making batteries yourself, but you're working together with other ones, with supercaps and battery manufacturers. But you're delivering the chipsets, gathering the energy, right?
Exactly. We are between the source and the storage. You need some power management electronics, and this is what our chip is doing. Yeah. Integrated, optimized. We are doing this since more than 10 years already. Okay. So we are really focused on this topic.
So you stood up. You're not a startup. You stood up already. Okay.
I think we are recognized as experts of this specific topic. We are in the Samsung remote control. We are selling tens of millions of those. We are in devices like this one.
Oh, it's really small. So
BLE tag.
Oh, wow. Oh, so this is a tag already?
This is a tag. This is a full product with a BLE radio, a rechargeable battery, and our chip, mm-hmm. and photovoltaic cell from one of our partners. So this is used in industrial asset tracking with indoor lights.
Okay, amazing. So it's really. I've got it here in my hand. It's like 3 by 4 centimeters, and it has a PV in it and a BLE chip in it also.
Yes.
And the storage also. And amazing. And you have got because on your website there's sort of a selector. You can say, okay, what kind of the source you want to gather the energy from.
Right.
So I think you've got vibration, PV.
Yes. So there are other sources than lights, but most of the projects, like 90% of the projects, are using lights.
Yeah.
Energy from lights. But yes, our chip can also handle other sources of energy, like temperature with thermoelectric generators.
Okay.
You need like 20-30 degrees of temperature difference between the hot and the cold side, and to be able to have enough space. So there are some constraints, but yes, it's possible. Then we have kinetic also for a button.
Yes.
You have a dev kit with Scilabs with a button. That's on our booth.
And even RF energy, I saw.
RF as well.
Yeah, I noticed.
RF, yes, but RF you cannot harvest like the Wi-Fi in the room.
No. But the lower frequency.
Wi-Fi from the room is a myth.
Yeah.
You can harvest energy from a dedicated transmitter. So it's more like wireless charging.
Yeah. Okay, I see.
If you have a dedicated transmitter that is possible in your use case, then yes, it's possible.
So like an old school crystal radio receiver. Yeah, amazing. And this chip, so it ends up everywhere. What are the costs, for example, when I would like to order, put this in my bill of material? What are the costs approximately? Can you say something about that?
Yes, so we are, as I said, we are in remote controls. The BOM of the remote control is between $3.5 and $5, so it's very limited, and we are able to be in this. They are accepting a little bit over $1 BOM cost for the three components. So the photovoltaic cell, the PMIC, and the storage element. So we fit in this.
Okay.
Of course, it's massive volumes for remote controls, but just to show that we are able to reach this kind of costs, and also volume production, which is also very important.
Yeah. Okay. So you're focusing on the mass market, but I can imagine that, for example, somebody is listening and who's making his own product. They've got their own hardware engineers, software engineers. Do you need specific skills to in-design a product like this?
That still remains a challenge.
That's what I'm asking. Yeah.
Yes, because it's still easier to put a battery, right?
Of course, that's not easy road.
That's engineering design. It's still easier, but we are here to help. We are doing a lot of work to support our customers to choose these three components, and instead of putting a battery that they will have to change and that will keep the business case, putting a rechargeable battery with a photovoltaic cell and a PV.
Okay, so you've got an in-design team who's able to support engineers.
That's what we do, to support our customers. That's very important.
Okay.
And come back to the cost question. For consumer example, if you replace a coin cell, yes, there's a little bit additional VOM cost that you will save with the lifetime of the device, because you will not have to replace it.
Of course.
But for a more industrial tracker or more industrial device, you can even save on the BOM, because you can replace a very big battery. So if you reduce the size of the battery, you can even save a little bit on the BOM.
Okay. If people are interested, how can they reach out to you?
By email.
By email? Okay. Okay. It's in the show notes, I'll with you. Well, thank you very much for making time. Well, I wish you good luck here and all the best. We see you in all kinds of products appearing. Thank you, Pierre.
Thank you very much.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.